Hello you guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are filming from vacation in Florida and we are just quickly going to show you how to make some pita chips out of pita bread. We are using Tufayan Bakery's pita. They are delicious. And if you have never heard of this brand, you can get them right on Amazon. They are a family-run company. They have so many different amazing products. We're enjoying some of their crispy breadsticks right now. Not yet. And this is the easiest recipe ever. We're gonna jump right into it. Okay, all you guys need are some pita and a little bit of olive oil and sea salt and whatever other kind of spices you would like. We are just gonna use some sea salt. They are delicious, just with olive oil and sea salt. We are going to make some heart-shaped pita chips today for Valentine's Day. Okay, all we're gonna do is we're going to cutting these in half so that we're opening the pita.
I opened the pita before and it was really yummy.
The kids absolutely love these. They like them completely plain, just like this as is. They've eaten a few already. We got a bunch of different products from this company and we've loved them all. We have bagels in our freezer at home. Gonna do some of the heart shapes. You're both gonna do them. I have the oven on 400 right now.
400.
We're just gonna bake these for about 5-6 minutes. Wait, okay. Nice, that's good. And then we're gonna put it right on our baking sheet. We are just gonna put this on as is with no parchment paper. They will crisp up a little bit better without parchment paper. Okay, the kids went out to the pool, so I'm just gonna quickly show you. You can cut them into whatever shapes you'd like or just leave them in the typical triangle. I have my pastry brush here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the pan. We have some hummus here to dip these in, but they are delicious as is. Okay, and then once they each have some olive oil, you're just gonna go over them with whatever spices you would like. If you want them to have more of an Italian seasoning, you can put some Italian spices on there. Or if you would like them spicy, you can put some spice, but I'm just gonna leave them as is. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, those baked up. Just check your ovens because every oven's a little bit different. At home, I had it on 425 for 5 minutes and they were completely burnt. Here, I lowered the oven to 400, but they needed an extra minute or so. So just keep an eye. They are nice and crispy. You can hear. And I'm excited for us to have these as a snack today. Delicious. All right, you guys, let us know if you tried the recipe. If you buy any products from Tufayan, they're all amazing. We've tested out a bunch. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you next time back in Connecticut. So good.